Traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning, the corn market. We're having a short covering rally here in front of a long weekend. We're closed on Monday for Labor Day weekend. Corn was higher yesterday, it's higher here today. So very good crop out there. Mother Nature's been very good to North America this summer. And the corn market, I don't know if it's going to be a 15 billion bushel corn crop. We're going to be close, and there's going to be a very big carryout in the corn market, maybe 2.4 billion bushels. So prices are low. We got the lowest corn in the world today. The demand is good, so we'll keep talking about that. And the farmer, the U.S. farmer, is probably going to do everything in his power to store the corn and look for higher prices this fall and winter. And the end user is going to be buying corn on breaks. They need the product, but they're not in any hurry to get secured on buying the corn, but they will be buyers on breaks here going forward. So looking ahead in 2017, I know it's a little bit early. We're not done with 16 yet, but there should be more acres into soybean at the expense of corn, and we'll talk about that more and more. So the soybean market, let's be frank here. August, it's been a weather market, and August has been very good. We've had rain, just perfect, almost ideal, perfect growing conditions for the soybean. But just to be frank, last spring we had a $3 rally in soybeans, and nobody predicted that. Everybody seemed to be bearish. And this blew the doors off the Louis Dreyfuses, the Cargills, the ADMs, the Bungies of the world today. And these are the biggest and best grain traders around. So looking ahead, what's going to happen? You know, you got to be a little bit careful. I'm sort of in that camp where everybody's bearish now on corn and soybeans. And when everybody goes one way, something usually happens. So we're going to keep talking about that. The demand story is very good in soybeans. We had major announcements of Chinese purchases of U.S. soybeans this week, and the market's not paying attention to that. It's more the weather here going forward. So very good soybean crop, and again, it looks like in 2017 the next weather cycle is La Nina. That's going to affect South America, and then in 2017 more acres into soybeans at the expense of corn. My opinion, I think this soybean market's got to rally to buy these acres that we're talking about. So last week we talked about all the meat that's in the world, all the cattle, all the hogs, all the chicken, all the dairy and the cheese and the milk, the bacon that's in cold storage, a lot of soybeans, a lot of corn, a lot of wheat, a lot of hay. I get exasperated talking about the big burdensome supply in commodities, but let's anticipate the next commodity cycle and see where we go from here. We're closed Monday, grains open 7 o'clock, Monday night, Central Standard Time. Everybody have an excellent weekend.